My name is Mayur Pujara. The firm Mercury Hamlin and Associates was founded by Mr. Valso Kumar in the year 1998, and we registered as a brand in the 2004. So we are a firm in the industry for last 2 decades, you can say. We are one of the most pioneers in the firm in the industry, where we're offering cross-functional services and with a lot of dynamic offerings. The main four verticals of our service offerings, and beginning from the corporate services, which is like an end-to-end solutions for any kind of a corporate and day-to-day needs, beginning from a company's incorporation to a company's liquidation and anything in the life cycle of a company. We have been accolade by many of the free zones as one of the top consultants. We're registered agents for most of the free zones as well as offshore authorities here. The second vertical comprises of accounting, finance, and tax consulting, which also includes day-to-day management of the accounting and finance functions, which we outsource from most of the companies. And at the same time, we also liaise with the FTA for filing returns, as well as claiming the rebates from the taxation perspective. The third vertical comprises of private client services, estate planning, where we draft wills for clients. We are also empaneled with DIFC as a registered draftsman. We set up trust foundation. We act as a trustees for a lot of our clients' trust and their family foundations for the global assets as well. And we take care of their probate process and inheritance planning as well. The fourth function comprises of our law firm, which is registered out of ADGM. We're regulated by ADGM, and we act as a legal counsel for most of the group companies. We draft agreements, do contract management for these companies, and we also head some of the as a lead advisor for merger acquisitions, for cross-border transactions, for escrow services. And at the same time, as currently, we also have mandate from some of the real estate development projects as well. To give you the history of the firm, we have clients from more than 80 countries, and at any given point of time, we're managing more than 700 structures globally. That comprises of our strength. We have a team of 12 people, including myself. I'm a corporate lawyer, and with me joining, there are chartered accountants, company secretary, operations specialist, management professional, and with that, we manage the clients in the most professional manner possible. In this particular time, when the COVID is hitting all of us, we're doing a certain initiative where we are advising clients on their inheritance requirements and drafting their wills at a very nominal price. So if you need any of these services mentioned in those verticals, you can reach out to us in the given contact details, which is mentioned on the screen, and we'll be happy to help you out.